the letter that you wrote, and it was typically distant. While I read it, I retraced your footprints, searching for signs in your words and lines. But time has since severed ties that bind. Maybe you only get one shot, and maybe I missed it. I miss you, I wish you were here with me now. I remember my time with you, in you, all that we had been through. These memories are something I still cling to. I catch glimpses in the faces of strangers. The strange thing I face is the same thing on all of their faces. Like we're all wearing a mask, and everyone has got a someone who haunts their past. This track is just a chronicle concerning us, co-authored in each other. Call it love, call it trust. I'll recite it in my sleep when I dream you back to me. Whether or not you're in my arms, I will always set you free.
Reminiscing walking down these streets. These days we don't even speak. I think about you when I'm on my own. I think about how much I've grown. I'll kill the memory if you do too. You hold me back like I do you. Another break in this space and time. All it does is just remind me of reminiscing walking down these streets. These days we don't even speak. I think about you when I'm on my own. I think about how much I've grown. I'll kill the memory if you do too. You hold me back like I do you. Another break in this space and time. All it does is just remind me of
spoke, I think I wrote a novel. Let me sum it up, it goes, babe, I miss you. And I could say it in a million ways, write a million songs on a million albums. It'll always come out wrong. If I told you I was drowning, would you throw me out a rope? Even if I said don't, I'd prefer to drown. Would you hold your ground while I scrambled for mine? Would you dive in with me just to spend some time? You were my refuge when it rained, I would run to you for shelter. When the weather pressure built up, I would hide inside your cellar. The sunnier the days became, the more we tried to run, till it happened that we both struck out and killed the sun. For what it's worth, the world is yours and all that's in it. And if I give you space, can I one day come and visit? If it's not too much to ask, can I reserve a piece of sky in your heart just a part? You can set the limit.
reminiscing walking down these streets. These days we don't even speak.